This is a brief tutorial on how to navigate your OHS, or online high school, for ninth grade English. When you first log into your course page, you'll see announcements in the middle. Be sure to always check your course announcements each time you log in for important information from your teacher. So you see a variety of things here. There's class home, plan, content, progress, grades, tools, feedback, help, and more. So one of the most important items for you to know how to use is class content. And you can find class content in a couple different places. If you look here, there's a class content bar across the screen, and you can see there's course materials, your online textbook, how-to module, Unit 1 content. So let's take a look at Unit 1 content, because that is the first unit that you have to complete for this course. Now you can access it two different ways. You can click on Unit 1 content here, or you can click on content and then find Unit 1 on the side here. Now when you click on Unit 1, you'll see open up below all of the days that are part of Unit 1. So you can see that in Unit 1, it starts Monday, August 20th, and it goes through Friday, August 24th. So each individual day, you'll know what to work on. Let's click on the first day, Monday, August 20th. When you click on the individual day, anything that you need to work on that day in the OHS will be listed in the center of your screen. It makes it very easy and straightforward so that you know exactly what you need to do. So here there's some information for you on plagiarism. There's a video there for you to watch. Then there's a lesson for you to complete. And then there's a quiz, a checkpoint quiz. So let's take a look at the lesson. When you click on a lesson in the OHS, this is what it's going to look like. And so as a student, it's your responsibility to read through the lessons. So it tells you about plagiarism. So you'll read through all of this information on your own. If you don't do this, that would be like skipping class if you were in a traditional brick and mortar school, or coming to class and just putting your head down and not paying attention. This is the lesson that you're learning for this day, Monday, August 20th. So you should read through it. You should follow the instructions, because you are responsible for that information. And then sometimes throughout, there'll be little questions for you, think about it questions. And so make sure you do those, and then you can click reveal to see the correct answer to make sure you got it correct. And then down here, you can click next to go to the next item for that day in the OHS, which is the checkpoint quiz. Now checkpoint quizzes are similar to TOD, or Ticket Out the Door quizzes, if you've been with us in the past. And they're just 1 or 2 question quizzes to make sure that you are where you're supposed to be and that you're understanding the content. They're not full-blown quizzes worth a lot of points. And so it explains that on here. So that quiz is available to you right here on your screen. Okay, and let's go back to the previous screen. Once you are done with all the work on Monday, the video, the lesson, and the quiz, then you're done for Monday. And so you can either work ahead or you can wait until the next day. So on Tuesday, you click on Tuesday. And once again, anything that you need to do, learn, read through, watch, work through is listed for you in the middle of the screen. On this day, we have a video. There's an item for you to click on and download. And then there's a link to a review game. Once you get to the end of Tuesday, you know that you're done. Then Wednesday is on here, Thursday is on here, and Friday is on here. I'm going to skip ahead to Friday now. And it shows you here that you have your first writing assignment. It explains everything you should have done so far this week to prepare for the writing assignment. And then it says click here for the writing prompt. So you'll click there to get your instructions. And then it says once you're done writing, be sure to proofread and submit your document to the assignment Dropbox below. So when you click on the assignment drop box, you'll have access here to submit your assignment by clicking Add a File. That's one way to submit your Dropbox assignment. So that's the bulk of what you need to know to work through your daily lessons in the OHS. You click on the unit that you want to go to under Content, and then you click on each day. If you have any questions, be sure to contact your teacher on how to access your daily lessons that you should be working through. The next thing I want to show you is your grade book. So click on Grades to access any grades that you have so far. Now there's no grades in here now because it's before anything has started, but if you did have grades, for example, for your mother to son written response, that would be in there. If you had grades for your checkpoint quiz, that would be in there. Okay, so that is the basic overview for using your OHS. Now the course plan is also important, so make sure you watch the next video on how to use your course plan.